Hey guys, I'm Ron, and you're watching Fabbin' Adventures.
No, you're not.
Beauty.
Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is a little man cave on the prairie, and today I'm out with Ron from Fabbin' Adventures, and we're out on the Whipsaw Trail. So 2 years ago, Ron came out on the Whipsaw Trail, and I saw his video. You guys got to go check it out. It's great. And ever since then, I've wanted to come out here and just wheel with Ron. You know, we used to wheel when Ron used to live next to me, but then he ended up moving way far up north, and we haven't had a chance to get out in a long time.
Yeah, so we're here at Granite Creek Rec Area in British Columbia, and the Whipsaw Trail is just 10K or so up this trail here. And we're going to swing off and head down into Lodestone Lake and maybe hang out there for a little bit, check out some stuff. You know, there's a nice lake there and some little bit of scenery and whatnot. And then we're going to head down to Wells Lake, and there's a little bit of a chalet, if you want to call it that. People put stickers up from their channel and stuff like that, and just write their names and whatnot in there, you know, and you can camp there overnight. And then from there on, the trail gets gnarlier, I guess you'd say, and we're going to probably run into some pretty steep gravel climbs, some off-camber stuff, some, you know, rock ledges we'll have to crawl up and whatnot. And it should be pretty darn cool. I think it pretty well hit everything you want to see.
But first, I gotta throw some axles in.
You sure do.
So guys, that was my whipsaw adventure, and I gotta say that was an excellent trip. I gotta throw out a big shout out to Ron. Long story short, I showed up at Ron's place with a tack together bumper needing axles, and we got that done in one night. Also, a huge shout out to Wade Dixon for bringing me a fuel filter out in the middle of nowhere while he doesn't even know who I am. On the way up, I had fuel problems, and we got her down to the fuel filter, and he ran me out because Ron was smart enough to think about just posting it on a Facebook group. And also, a tip of the hat to Tyson, Chelsea, and Brendan for showing this Alberta boy a very, very hospitable BC time. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like and share and all that jazz. And don't forget to go over to Ron's channel, Fabin Adventures. Give him some love of the same, and we will catch you in that next one. Take her easy, guys.